Here we are on site doing repairs on a 1.9 mil permanent installation product. We're on site because we are currently doing integration work at a highly recognized national hotel chain. And I travel with my repair kit during integration gigs, so that way I could leave the client with 100% spares. It's no reason for me not to be able to leave a client of the manufacturers I install for to have without any of the products that they need to service and upkeep their product properly. Most of these are 1 or 2 pixels. I got a few multiple pixel repairs. For the most part, we were gentle with this wall when we were installing it. But it being a sub 2 mil product, the possibilities of pixels going out is always very high. So it's just one of those casualties that we go to expect. Again, part of the service that we provide is that we cover the repairs, so the manufacturer doesn't have to worry about the shipping back and forth of product to replace product. Again, it makes it easier on the client as well as the end user. Client in this case with me is the manufacturer who hired me to come do the work.